Tell me, how many times did you see Conrad going to Delhi to file a memorandum or submit a deputation just so that the Khasi and Garo languages are included in the 8th schedule of the Constitution? Not even once.
Nongialam bahakhliehduh jong sain pyrthei All India Trinamool Congress AITC but Myntri Rangbah Jylla West Bengal Mamata Banerjee jingiakynduh but kilat pathai Khubor Soso Tham State Central Library tarik Nohprah jubab jingkylli kumno seng Trinamool Congress ialeh pyrshah seng BJP elekshin banwan Meghalaya sanga ting seng BJP da bahakhliehduh.
They never said when the people is in danger and people is in distress. We want to say that they were totally failed. Only at the time of election they come, distribute the money and just they send the ETA and CBI so that people should be afraid. They don't have any agenda except the political vendetta.
Kumno ki ba Meghalaya kinut ban shanya bat ban kershane seng BJP kabakani ye ki jaka jongphi kabasiat yap ye ki briew belulu jongphi na Assam kumno kinle lada ki wanrung haying jongphi habakali kumno ka UE ka sarkar MDA jingialam jong seng NPP kamamata kalajubab da ka boong ka sarkar MDA ka buttu kabakhauput bat kabamdon butlum banyadai ki ba ka Meghalaya dei nakata kadaw kalaong baka AITC kalawan kiw sa Meghalaya banyalek pyrshah ki kambam sap ya kapisa bat jing pendan kam ki bor bat ki atiar pulit ban Tham ki nongialam ki banut banyalek pyrshah ki ni jing sniu.
The traditional shawl. Thank you, ma'am.
No challenges. We only want to defeat BJP. Is NPP.
Each one of you will have to remind yourself that within this 2 months, we'll have to put our entire might and weight to ensure that this corrupt, inept government is uprooted from the soil of Meghalaya. And like I've stated every time, the Trinamool Congress is the only party in the country which is taking on BJP head on. They have failed to intimidate us by using their agencies and all other intimidating tactics. We are the only party fighting. So Trinamool Congress is just the platform.